My agency is based in a small country. Should I niche down or should I focus on more niches and businesses? In today's video, we'll talk about how important and how I should approach niching down if I am from a small country. The difference is for sure there in comparison to, let's say, US or UK, which you can really focus on small sub-niche and you still have a lot of potential on the market and a lot of people to reach out to and your ideal customer profiles. If you are from a small country, you already know that the amount of your potential customers in your niche, if you are already niche down, is so limited that you are not able to grow as fast as you would like to. That's my situation that I'm currently in with my agency. We are on the market around 4 years, and last year I really niched down and tried to focus only on the healthcare industry, which wasn't really ideal because we're not able to grow as fast as I would like to. That's why I added different niche, and I think this is something that no one is talking about. So in our space, everyone is talking about how important it is to niche down. But if you want to scale faster, I think allowing few more niches in your company can actually help you. First of all, I think around $30,000 per month with agency model in one niche, even in smaller country, is doable. It depends on your country and the amount of people you have and population and so on. But in Slovakia, for example, it's really doable doing $30,000 per month in one niche. But if you want to scale to a bigger numbers, you need to, in my opinion, to go for more broader audience. So to target more niches. You can see this is connected to point number 3, which is adding more niches. In my case, in the beginning, I closed and onboarded more clients in different niches, and I was able then see for which industry we are delivering the best results, and therefore I picked healthcare niche. But we also, for example, over-delivered for HVAC industry, which right now helped us to scale more. So I relaunched ads for HVAC as well, and it helped us to close more clients. So you should already know in which niches you are really good at and you are delivering great results, and double down on that. So don't be afraid what people say, which is connected to point number 4. So don't care about what people say. Especially, let's say, in my situation, I was really hesitant if whether I should go for another niche, since I was from day one talking about how we are specialists in only healthcare, and I was like, okay, should I go for a different niche? And then I just kind of sent it, and it was a really good decision. So of course, if you are from a bigger country and your total addressable market is really big, I don't recommend you to go for more niches. But if you are from a smaller country and you want to scale more, and let's say 30K is not enough for you, which I completely understand, I would advise you to go for more niches. So how to communicate that? Like I said, for example, in Slovakia, you have a lot of different agencies which are like completely broad. So they are targeting e-commerce, lead gen, different services, different niches. We are still perceived, even though we added more services and more niches, we're still perceived as specialists in our niches. So we are still specialists and perceived as specialists in healthcare, and then we added HVAC. So people are reaching out to us and they're seeing us as experts in HVAC. So that's why I'm now a little bit changing my opinion. Of course, if I would have expanded into different countries, I would pick one niche, and within this one niche, I would do my research, and if there would be enough sub-niche potential customers, I would go for that. So let's say healthcare and then dental industry or something like this. So yeah, that's why I think it's okay for you to go for multiple niches if you are from a small country and you want to grow much faster than you are already doing. So yeah, if you would like me to talk about more on this topic, let me know in the comments. And if you liked this video, please follow and like. Thank you.